Okay. Here you go. I would share my screen and show you where to find it, but I can't do that. But yeah, just log into the main members area, scroll all the way to the bottom. You will find the mobile app. PTR V3. That's it, Mike. And this login using your Liberty Trading Club login, you're good to go. Yeah, guys, get it. We're going to start using the alert section more often. For instance, we're going to stick with momentum today. So you guys should have all gotten an alert on the mobile app now. See if you did. If you followed the instructions. Yep, there you go. All right, guys. Hey, it works. Not sure about that. Spy. Kev Dog says yes. What's FTR? All right. Good, Bill. All right. Bounce off the 89 exponential moving average. That is the one closest to price action in the 133 chart. It is hanging around 112 right now. Thank you, Worldwide. Thank you. Nice job, Elliot. And guys, not to just blindly go in to any trade, right? You want a trade setup to occur. No trade setup occurred, right, guys? You guys got that right? So if we're looking for an area, okay, just make sure nobody just blindly does anything crazy. Don't do that. Probably going to see some type of a push down. Probably going to see a little bit of a push down, VA. We have to be good boys and girls and not do the counter trends in this room. If you have permission, obviously you can do that. The counter trend trades. Everybody else that's just learning our methodology, sticking with the trend. We are trend traders. Yeah. Well, you look for a setup. I mean, think about it like this. We had around 100. There was a 16 tick rule. Now, would you have gotten profits? Yeah. Would you have gotten stopped out on your remaining contracts? Probably. You could have, made that a break even or scratched out a little bit of profits on that trade. So, you just kind of look for the setup. Once you get a level, you look for that setup. If you know that level is good, like now we have a little bit of a double bottom, but I don't want to do that this close into the open, guys. Again, we're going to wait 6 minutes. We're going to be good boys and girls and take our time to find something that is appeasing. Keep in mind, guys, any newbies, trial people, everybody that's newer to trading, we tell you to wait 6 minutes after the open to let this kind of garbage sort itself out. And then we start looking for higher probability trade setups. We are patient traders. Keep that in mind. Those of you that have been on trial with us, just make sure to talk to a coach or have a call. We do suggest most people start in the pro level. That way you can go to class, get the recordings of our base methodology, all that good stuff. If you've been trading for a long time, standard's probably good for you if you're already consistent. If you're not, we suggest the pro level. Thanks for being here, you guys on trial. And let's give it another minute or two, and we should be able to see ourselves a decent trade set up. Give it just a little bit longer. Like I said, guys, it looks like we're going to see a little bit of a push down. So let's just be patient. We've gotten somewhat of a home run already this morning, guys. So anybody that got into that, we almost got 100 ticks out of it. So I would call that a home run out of the gate, right, guys? Yeah, let's I agree with you, VA. I don't know if we want to be too jumpy. Again, we got in this room we got that long trade. In the institutional room, they got the long and the short. Everybody's fat and happy this morning. No need pushing it, guys. Those of you who showed up late, this is why we tell you guys to get here. Get here early. Get here at least by 8:15 in the morning. That way you can get your bearings about you and jump in trades like we got this morning, and it takes the pressure off. I mean, look at this chop, guys. Do we really want to be in this? No. I like it. Still being patient. Legged out triple. Legged out triple. See, there's the selling. What we expected, guys. Those would counter trend. Keep trailing. You guys would counter trend if I can talk on that. Those with counter trend privileges keep trailing. That is probably a great idea. Listen to Elliot, guys. David. That is a good idea, guys. It's already 9:40. We haven't gotten a great setup. There's no point in pushing it. Again, like anybody want to trade through this chop, great. We got some big boys and girls who are short still. So that's it. We know there are bigger boys and girls that are short or dumping some stuff right now. So 9:41. Let's just be patient. Close that window so the wind doesn't continue to. Any questions, guys? Any questions at all? Any questions while we are being patient, little traders? Looks like the W is going to be the name of the game for the longs today, guys, in the near term at least. Got it? You guys hear me? All right, you can't hear me. All right. Taking those notes. No, Randy said you could start looking for a good signal around that area. Looking. If you don't get a trade set up, though, you don't take it, Randy. Don't just buy randomly. Mhm. Just don't jump into the trade. That's where we said we want to start looking at. Got it. There wasn't a hook on stochastics around 113. I can tell you that. It didn't happen until right on the open. And we didn't want to do that, so we passed. Yeah, I think the bigger news is the 10 o'clock. Wait, I thought it was 9:45 and then 10, right? And then 11, we have somebody speaking from the Fed. So, guys, here's another big reason to be in early and get some profits early. There's some questionable at best news coming out where price action could be a little funky. Now we don't have to worry about that. We have made some good profits on a couple trades for some people and one trade for others. So oh, Bark. We only made one trade call this morning. That's it. Well, I guess it was a short. We do from time to time. Big boys and girls, they got that short later on and crushed it, Bark. So um Kill B still holding on third base. We'll get you to home plate, Kill B. Yeah, okay. We're good. Challenges. Start. That's all right. Abe, you listen in early. That's why we have a mobile app. Listen in while you're doing your family duties if you can, and that way you're acclimated when you get here. Abe, I got it, Bard. Well, we had the home run long, so that should have made up for any loss anybody had this morning. All right, let's see. It is past the news, and we really haven't gotten a lot of reaction. So Look at the 10 a.m. Oh, I thought it was 11. 12, we have the Fed person. Barg, if you scroll to the bottom of the main members area, you have that. You'll see the mobile app on the bottom left of the main members area, and it's got instructions there. But it's PTRV3, and you'll see what the icon looks like when you scroll down and look on the page. Yes, you are welcome. All right, guys. Not trying to say don't trade. I'm trying to say don't trade. I'm trying to say let's keep ourselves safe here. There's no I can't see anything that's going to give us high probability right now. Right, guys? Think about that. Where are we? We're stuck in a sideways chop, and we have been there since the open, guys. We have been there since the open. So, and you're in a 67 to 107, so 40, 50 point range. That's a tough living to rake out. You can do it. I mean, you guys take the long signals. If you get the long signals and you like them and you can withstand the choppiness, take them. I think you, Coach. You guys got it? You guys understand what the words coming out of my mouth? If you can withstand the choppiness, you get the long signals, say overbought stochastics, comes off a level like we had back there, like we have around the 67. Remember, we used this before too, guys. The 66, 67 level to buy. We've done that before. All I'm saying is don't get FOMO. How about that? Nice job, Chad. Chad did the 16 tick rule off the last retracement. Just a wild guess there. Smart thinking. Let's see. Ticks aren't really helping us out that much right now either, huh? Okay. Let's see here. Let us see here. Um, have to hook up on second cast on the 2 minutes, starting to hook up a little bit. Get some signs of life, a little bit more amiable price action for us to play in the sand. Um, still long, Chad. Assuming you're still holding one long. If I had Mr. Predicto, I think I would say that it says yes. Hey, look at that. Holy crap, you guys all got long? All right. Well, there you go. Guess what the target is, y'all? Anybody know? You guys that are all along? Hey, that might be a good target. All right. Serious question. Window open so you guys can hear the wind in the background, or is it annoying? Oh, really? All right. Let's get back to window open. Uh, every now and then we get some birds in the background. But trail it this time, guys. This could be a push through. Seriously, I wouldn't just go flat at 160. I would trail it this time. Um, Pops up past there again. You got a target of R1 next. If it pops up again. Trading dogs here. Um, it's going to be a push through, guys. Looks like it. Yeah. That was Grace. That was the trading dog, the flapping ears. She always does that. Next target 181. And then R1. 181. Next target, guys. I like it. You guys gave me FOMO. I got in along with you. So let's do it. Next target 181. Oh, mine's still back at 141. We can squeeze it up a little bit if you guys want to use 56, or even use the target. We had 160, so use 160 if you're worried. That way you've locked in your target and you're happy. There's the 80. What do we get to there? $79. Oh, off by 2 ticks. Off by two whole ticks. Guys, hopefully you guys are flat now, right? Everybody should be flat. Good job. Thank you, Chad and Elliot, David. Thank you guys for getting us in this long trade. Thank you all. Thank y'all. That was a good one. Well, so the buy off of the 60 to 70 area has worked twice this morning, right? Now we know that. Yeah, I think we all just wrote Chad's cocktails, coattails on that one. Chatting right now. All right. 10 o'clock news. And we should probably start thinking that this report looks a little bearish. That's what I was just about to say, low Kev. You got momentum pointing down now. We said to play the momentum game today, right, guys? Good job, low Kev. Front running us. Short at 33,180. They got it right. Mm-hmm. Nice job, low Kev. No VA, I did not get it. Got the 2 longs. That's it. Nice job, Brisky. Orlando. Yeah. I knew I was losing my job, Orlando. Ah. All right, here's what we'll do, guys. We'll look for a sell signal here in a minute. So we can use that same level, somewhere around 110, 113, or hook on stochastics, 16 tick rule. But don't want to be too FOMO. I mean, again, we got 2 good long trades in. Don't want to. Again, guys. I mean, here's the deal. If you're not already trading profitable with the trend, don't take the counter trend trades. There we go. Don't do it. But those of you who are plenty profitable, look for a sell signal, like what we just had. We'll hook on stochastics. I know we didn't quite get overbought, but that looks like it was about the best we could do at that moment. ATR is not too super high. All right, pull your stops down, guys. Should have locked in some profits at this point. Here we go. Tried our best to get overbought, but we did say take the hook on stochastics here, guys. So you guys follow those instructions? No? Okay. Yeah. I literally just told you guys to go short at 75. And it was right there. Boop, boop. Downside target is first target should be around, you know what a good number is? 3306. Why is 3306 a good number? Does anybody know that? Why 3306 is a good number? See, Chad keeps his notes. We've used it before. Yeah. There you go. Good job, Michelangelo. You've used it before. What? OVN open. Oh.
Good morning, gang. The institution
Hey.
room is closed for the morning and the weekend.
Hey.
I hear everybody's doing really, really well here.
Y'all did well. We did well. Everybody did well. We stayed out of trouble.
Our final target was 33,030. And the reason for that was it was a volatility function from the short at 180. So
seems logical.
50-point winner.
That seems logical.
Yeah, guess what class we had yesterday in the Crow Room? Guess what topic?
I think it has something to do with the volume.
It's close with a V. It does begin with a V, guys. Yep, the volatility. Very important number. Yeah, you guys caught the roller coaster, right? I see. You guys went short, long, short, long, short. Not
yeah. So all the people who had trade with the trend privileges only did the 2 long trades.
Yeah.
And people with permission to do both did both, the longs and the shorts.
Yeah, don't violate rules, guys. You have to do one or the other when you are just learning this business. Pretty soon you will all be able to step up your game as you grow with us. I can't wait for a podcast today.
Me too. I told you I had this new Hawaiian shirt. It's a Tommy Bahama.
Oh, yeah. I had my old shirt on. I got to get the Hawaiian thing on. I'll change it. I need a shower anyway, but.
All right.
Good job, Dan.
Nice, Dan. Just FYI, Coach, we are still short. Some of us are.
Oh, cool.
Just an FYI. Some of us are still short.
Yeah, no, we had our targets and that's it, and
yeah, that's perfect.
Told them to look, anyone who wants to continue trading, obviously move right back into the main room here.
There we
got a couple. Let's see, Sean there.
Where's Sean at?
Robert is here.
Sean. Show.
There he is. Yep, he's there. Robert's here. Jeremy, is Jeremy here? I think Jeremy's done for the weekend.
Wow, I forgot to fill out the form for my recording yesterday.
I forgot to post that last alert. Yeah, the only thing I did on the alert was get everybody out at 160 when we were long. And that was a great target. You guys here, I heard Coach saying 160 target, right? Did you guys get your 160 when you were long? I'm talking about on the upside. Yep, perfect target. And that's where Grandma was selling because they thought the report was going to be bearish. Don't have to ask. Well, we always ask, is there anybody got confused maybe and is red? There's plenty of time to get you green. Anybody red this morning?
I think I did a good job. I think there's no red people.
All right. Craig is very red. All right,
Craig,
no. We'll help you. We'll help you.
Yeah, we will get there.
Number one, you should trade with the trend. All right. So you wouldn't have been allowed if now if you're an institutional type of trader, yes, that's what we do all the time. You shouldn't trade before 9:36. So that would be the second rule. If any of these you violated, let us know. Third thing is you should be at least going long on low stochastics or going short on high stochastics. Since the trend, I guess, is still up, yeah, it's up, you would only be the GMA's trade this morning. What's the GMA mean? Grandma was shorting, Craig. If you got crushed, you didn't understand what Grandma was doing. They were shorting the rallies to get a 140-point winner. You probably went short and got scared out, right?
And stopped out.
Yeah. We in the institutional room took your money. Thank you very much. We even were telling them, watch the newbies all go long. They're going to be going right up to the top, double top at 180, and then get killed. So, all right, that's not your fault. Now, how did you know about Grandma since you weren't in the institutional room? Do you have a separate subscription? Oh, yeah. Well, it panned out, didn't it? You see what we do, it didn't go down to 33,030. That's what we call trading. Wow, you got in at the bottom. No. You're supposed to be taking profits at the bottom. Give me a call. I'll explain it.
I think that's the best option, Craig. Yeah.
Coach. See, you're hearing like whispers in the men's room and saying, all right, I'm going to do that, And no, the idea was, yeah, I said we were shorting. We even post an alert. Check your, are you subscribed to the alert? Let's put it this way. Obviously, sadly, you're the only one who got it wrong.
Did you catch the long trade?
Yeah, how about Coach here was calling out a long trade.
Early morning long trade?
Which is actually the only one you're permitted to do. You weren't permitted to do a short, were you? Yeah. Do you have permission?
Yeah. All right. Let's just have them schedule.
We'll get you there. Don't worry about
it. Craig's new, so.
Yeah. And you trade on the sim now, right? Until you got this? Or you trading cash?
Please say sim until you got
Please say sim, yeah.
Picked up.
I mean, we have rules for this. Oh, all right. Hey, Let's put it this way, Craig. I lost money for 49 months in a row doing exactly what you did. And you could see our clients who are making the money now understand the whole methodology. And I don't want to criticize you, but thank you, by the way. Oh yeah, absolutely. Thank you for your integrity and your honesty. Most people don't want to admit when they lose money.
It's the best way to learn.
Yeah.
Best way.
Can't help you, right? If you're, you go to your doctor and you go, everything's all right, yeah, and then go out and fall down, you have a stroke. Oh, I forgot to tell him I had like these headaches, high blood pressure.
Talk to guess who else was so used to losing, Craig? Chad. Chad was so used to losing. He was about to give up on trading. Look at him now. Tell him, Chad. It's the truth, though. Fish was yeah.
David, I'm flat. I got flat at our target. No, all right. Remember, David, what you went in yesterday's class, right? The volatility number, which was 140 today. So if you take where we recommended, even if you took profit, Coach said, I heard him say take target at 160. So even if you went short at 160 and it didn't even go 30 points above there, but let's say you went short at 160 or at least exited your long at 160 and maybe maybe went short. We went short. I mean, look at this.
Coach,
Doesn't get much better than that, right, guys?
Oh, you guys nailed it. You nailed it. Coach, did you send Craig your cell phone number?
Yeah, I'm going to do that.
Okay.
And if you think about it, from this 180 level, right? From the 180 level, or you could say 160 if you want. You use 160 since that was the number that was given out. All right. So 160, take 140, 33, 160, right? If your volatility target is 140 points, your downside would be 33,020, right? From 160. Actually, the exact number, what was the exact high? 33,179, right? Minus 140 gives you what target? I mean, I had 33,030 target. VA, did you get out? Where did you get out, VA? VA will tell you. Because I private message VA. VA, where did you exit this trade? Robert got out 139. I'm sorry, 039. And VA, where did you get out? I think VA's gone already, right? No, he's there. All right. So again, 179. Dan got out at 45, you see? So they got it. So if you take the exact volatility, 33,179, you see how this stuff works. Minus 140. Like, I don't just pluck these numbers out of the air. 33,039 was our target on the volatility. I just made it a little bit different because that's what we're looking for. Reason we're looking for 030 was the London buying right here, the London support right here at almost 5 a.m. was 33,030. You see, do you see the real bid right here? The support on London before it zoomed up was 33,015. If you want to know, I happened to be going to the bathroom and I said, let me see what the market's doing. And I was going to the bathroom right about there and I watched it and I said, oh, look at that, man, little double. I didn't trade it there, obviously, but you could see it. So later on, when we came in to the room, you could look and see if that support held, which it did for a while until it broke there. But so, yeah. But on the other hand, could you have, after the open, let's say 936, here's a trend trade for you guys. And again, don't be trading grandma's stuff if you're not in the institutional room. But look at this long here that you could have gone, you guys, I'm sure you got in there, right? I mean, coach was calling it. He said, wait for 6 minutes, right? How many people waited for 6 minutes? Let's see, 936. All right. I mean, I don't put words in coach's mouth, but I'm sure he wasn't telling anybody to jump in before, right? He said, wait 6 minutes. I didn't hear it, but I'll guarantee you he said, wait for 6 minutes. I'll bet on it. Now, if anybody said, oh, no, he said, go in right now. But normally he says, wait for 6 minutes. All right, let's do a drawing, a vertical line. So there's your vertical line at 936. And you see what happened? It drops down. Now you've got an isolated bar, 16 ticks.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room to take our trade calls, as well as participate in chat to have questions answered by a coach, and we even allow you to go to our live basic and advanced training classes, please visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. After your first free 3 days, it's just $149 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.